Hi everyone, my name is Charles Pan.
My name is Miguel.
We are from Mackenzie College. Today we're going to show you how to shoot a short film using your smartphone.
Hey everyone, it's a great opportunity to share this to everyone, add some film to your life, learn how to use your phone as a camera to create your memorable moments.
Yes, not every day looks like a big band scene. All we need, just a smartphone.
It is the right time for us to learn a little bit about film now, because for me, it's not a skill, it's maybe a way to understand today.
So to learn how to film by yourself, you're going to have to learn some rules that you would need to make a movie.
Content. What kind of story? That would be the writer and the director's role.
Yeah, then maybe you need to know what will it looks like.
Now, you have to visualize your story. This would be your photographers.
Yeah, don't forget your sounds.
Then you have to put all of that together. That would be the editor's role.
Okay, then the first step, let's prepare a story. Today's story is about online study.
I, Miguel Jacob, will be the character.
Then the next step is how to visualize the story. Break down the story. For example, we break this story into two main parts. One A roll. This part is about interview.
And the second part is the B-roll. So this is various clips which can present how I study and what relates to my story in my life. So like college on the first day, studying online, practicing by myself, time management, city view, location, to show where it's happening, environment, driving places, and editing my work.
There are some tips before you're shooting your interview. First, if you made a little small mistake, don't worry, edit later. And then make sure your voice is clear. Then you also need to be aware of composition. You may need to type some titles on the screen, so leave some space for it.
Next, we have lights. It's always a big part for an interview. Lights not only mean we can see clearly, it's about meaning. Warm? Is it cold? Background lighting gives us the space feeling and makes us feel safe. And side lights not only give us an outline for the subject, but also reminds us of the environment.
Now we have all interview clips. Let's check it.
So I was a bit scared of actually taking the course.
As you see, there are some mistakes there and some wrong words, but don't worry about that. We're gonna fix it later. We all have some experience for shooting our ID portrait pictures like drive license. Yes, those pictures, they want to know who you are. However, they actually don't care who you are.
Well, B-roll does care about you. What you are doing, what is your favorite thing to do, what is different. Will you smile, you cry, your emotions are important here to see who you are. What colors do you like, your clothing, everything. So these are all the clips of my B-roll. Here you can see myself preparing, shooting outside, in college, preparing, talking, setting up in studio, again shooting outside, just some various clips of me doing my thing.
Now let's open the app. This time we take iMovie as an example.
So first, when you open iMovie, you will see Create Project. You click on this one, then two options will appear. Just click on Movie. Here you'll be able to make your film.
Then you need to choose your clips. Click the video, then you will see all those options.
There's also slow-mo and time-lapse. These are so important, especially for B-roll. Now slow-mo, just to explain quickly, we usually use this one to express emotions or oftentimes stuff that we don't see in slow-mo. For example, I don't know, a horse running on the beach. Super beautiful scene. If he's running fast, we're not able to see the beauty of it, right? So we take it in slow-mo. We see every movement. It's beautiful. Also, shots of people laughing. In movies, you see people laughing, it's in slow-mo. You can feel the emotion when they're laughing. Now time-lapse, usually here, like sunsets, cities, busy city, right? You time-lapse a city, you feel the busyness of the city during the day. So when you open it and you put your interviews in the app, you will see a big window, and then below you have a timeline we call. This is where you'll be able to do all of your work. So for example, the second window, we choose split. Now split is very important because this will let you choose the good clips and the bad clips, or delete the pauses, the bad words, or the mistakes.
Yeah, this is very important part because editing the interview it is the structure of the whole movie. So make sure all clips and soundtracks can be connected together properly. So using fade in and fade out to make soundtrack goes together smoothly.
You will still see the pictures cutting and jumping, but that's fine because we'll add the B-roll on top of it so you don't notice it.
Then we're gonna into a very important part, add B-roll on the story.
The first clip is me taking a photo with my camera, now in slow-mo to create emotion. So we chose this clip as the first clip so you really know who I am, right? It's the snow, it looks cold, Canada, Canadian, that's who I am. And as a photographer with the camera, as soon as the video starts, you know a little bit about what it's going to be about.
Then actually I will add a music in this time because I also will follow the music rhythm.
So to insert audio, you click on the audio button where the red dot is. You will see your music there below. It's also really important to make your music either go up or go down at the end to make sure it blends with the sound that's coming right after. So here we used split screen because if you look on the right, we're actually using a TikTok clip, but I'm actually speaking about TikTok at that moment, so it's obvious to use that clip at the same time, so it makes sense. Yeah. Also, there is green and blue screen, which lets you obviously take whatever what is green or blue, and it'll erase it. So yeah. So the last part is now adding titles to our film.
Now the film almost done. Let's watch it together.
Hi, my name is Miguel Jacob. I am currently studying at Mackenzie College in Moncton and B. It was kind of different this year because the whole course was going to be online, and I was a bit scared to actually take the course online because I really wanted it to be like hands-on and like to be there and take photos. But actually it ended up being very good because I had way more time than I would have had. So it gave me time to explore myself, because as an artist, it's really important to have time for yourself. At home and to be able to go outside as much as I wanted to go shoot, to go where I wanted to go shoot, was really amazing. I took advantage of that because to go out in nature and shoot on my side was a lot easier. Also, with all that time on my hands, I actually started a TikTok, a photography-based TikTok to teach people and to show people and to share my stuff and to share my knowledge and to connect with people. So yeah, in our lives there are always difficult things that come our way, and as an artist I feel that it's my job to find those no way things and turn them into a new way.
Technically, using an app isn't a difficult thing. Practice more, start from small things. You will soon get used to that. However, film is more than that. It is a new way to look at the world. It is also a new way to redefine something around you.
I truly hope you guys got something out of this. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.